Hi everyone, welcome back to the Bar Model Company. I'm going to go through this question with you so that you can see how to use the bar model approach for a percentage of an amount question just like this. So you've got find 20% of 3000. What I'm going to use for the next few videos is a 2019 SATs paper. And so this is, I think it was question number was it 18 of paper 1. So typical kind of question. We're going to go through 3 different percentage questions so that you can see that there is different levels of complexity in those questions and how to solve those questions, whatever they are, if it's a percentage of an amount question. So here we go. So 20% of 3000. You're going to have a bar like so. So I'm using the interface you're seeing in front of you is our new app, which is available totally free for you online on our website. And if you're not sure how to get there, I'll send a link somewhere below on the YouTube page or the Facebook page, or wherever you see this. There should be a link for you to be able to access that straight away. So you've got something like this, a bar, which represents, in this case, 3000. So I might just kind of quickly show that all of this is 3000. So I'm going to have a bar and a bracket like this, and I could write 3000 using my pen. My writing skills might not be the best, so here we go, 3000 here. Okay, so that's 3000. But I know also that we're talking about percentages now, and what I want to show is 20%. So I asked my children, well, if this is 3000, what percentage does that represent? That represents, okay, 100%, great. But we're trying to work out what 20% is, okay? So let's try to show that somehow. Okay, what class, what do you think this represents now? These two parts, let me shade that in so that we can have a look. So what do you think this green section represents out of the 3000? It represents half of it? Great. What percentage is that? That's 50%. Okay, well done. A bit more tricky question now coming up. What about if it was 3 equal parts like this? We know that 2 equal parts represents 50% each. 3 equal parts, what would that represent? Oh, it would represent something like 33%. Okay, it might be a bit more challenging. Okay, I know why that would be a bit easy for you. What about if it was 4 equal parts? What do we think that this green part represents? Oh, it's 25%. 25. How do we know that? 25 plus 25 is 50%, plus another 50%. That's 100%. Great. What about if I did 4 equal parts already there? So 5 equal parts here, like so. Oh, now it's 20%, 20%, 40, 60, 80, 100%. Right. So now when we have 5 equal parts of the bar, this one part, this green part, represents 20%. And if all of this is 3000, how am I going to work out what 20% is? What do I need to do? Excellent. We can divide 3000 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we know that this section here represents 20%. Okay, so I'll put that here, and I'll show that this is 20%, and I might actually write that down as well to show that this section here is 20%. There we go, 20%. Okay, so my calculation in this case would be 3000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would give me what 20% of 3000 is equal to. Hope that's clear. You can hopefully see how the bar model approach has helped me get to the conclusion that to find 20% of 3000 I have to divide by 5, and in the future what we want to kind of link that to is how this green section here is 20%, but that is also 1 out of 5 equal parts. Okay, thank you very much for listening and watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.